If you're serious about landing your first data analyst job in 2025, then this video could be the next turning point in your career. Because multiple companies are hiring right now for the role of data analyst, and obviously you do not want to miss this. Hi, my name is Harish and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Job Search Guru for You. In today's video, I'm going to dive into some hot data analyst jobs that are live this week, and the best part is few of them are remote job opportunities. So whether you're a fresher, you are looking for an internship or experienced job opportunity, this video is just for you. In case you are visiting this channel first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button to receive daily job updates related to data science, data analytics, Power BI, SQL or Python developer role. You can also follow my Instagram and my Facebook page as well to receive daily job updates, career development tips and interview tips as well. Now without any delay, let's jump right into the job listing. And yes, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to press the like button and share this video to your native friends.
Okay, कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे और रिव्यू करते हैं आज की जॉब्स. फर्स्ट कंपनी ऑन द लिस्ट इज हेडफोन जोन, हायरिंग फॉर डेटा एनालिस्ट फॉर मुंबई लोकेशन, सैलरी कॉम्पिटिटिव, एक्सपीरियंस फ्रेशर्स. Key roles and responsibilities: develop dashboard and financial models to support decision making, maintain and update financial databases ensuring data accuracy. You also need to generate daily, weekly and monthly financial reports, support budgeting, forecasting and variance analysis processes, automate data reporting processes using Excel, Power BI or SQL, and coordinate with finance and operation team to streamline data flow. Educational qualification: a bachelor's degree in finance, accounting, economics, statistics, or related field. Technical skills: strong proficiency in MS Excel, like pivot tables, VLOOKUP, macros. Knowledge of SQL, Power BI, and Tableau. Good understanding of financial concepts and data analysis techniques. Strong analytical problem solving and communication skills. And attention to detail and high level of accuracy in reporting. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is Scale Discovery. So if you're looking for any remote job opportunity as a senior data analyst, you can apply for the job post. Salary would be 5 to 9 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: collect, clean and validate large data sets from various internal and external sources, analyze and troubleshoot issues with data loading to identify trends, patterns and opportunities for improvement, set up database structures, dashboards and reports using tools like Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Data extraction on a variety of formats, example of the various formats, assist in developing and maintaining data sources. If you have done a 4-year degree or equivalent experience, you can apply for the job post. And technical skills: strong analytical thinking and problem solving skills. 2 years SQL databases, preferably MS SQL required. 2 years of scripts creation, troubleshooting experience required. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is American Express, hiring for data analyst for Gurgaon location, experience 0 to 3 years, salary would be 4 to 8 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: understand the overall business perspective and help conceptualize the business problem into a data science or ML roadmap. Have a research bent of mind and read, engage, apply new techniques and algorithms in the field of generate efficiencies, process improvements, rigorous testing of algorithms as per business norms and delivering significant working leverage over status quo. Capability of writing, debugging and compiling codes in multiple machine learning environment. Also research focus on problem solving through NLP is critical. Understand and deploy mathematical foundations of cutting edge NLP techniques. Educational qualification: a bachelor's degree in data science, business admin or related will make you eligible for the job post. And technical skills: if you have prior working experience of applying using ML methodologies like regression, classification, supervised or unsupervised recommenders, you can apply for the job post. Hands-on knowledge of SQL is expected, and you should have excellent data wrangling and visualization skills. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is CLAIGH Corporation, hiring for data analyst for Noida location, experience 0 to 1 year, salary would be competitive. Key responsibilities: analyze the data using statistical techniques and data mining methods to identify patterns, trends, and correlations. Derive actionable insights from the analyzed data and provide recommendations to clients. Identify and evaluate opportunities for client improvement and growth based on the data analysis. Present findings and reports to clients in a clear and concise manner. And stay updated with industry trends and best practices in data. Bachelor's degree in quantitative disciplines such as mathematics, statistics, economics, or computer science, and technical skills: strong analytical and problem solving skills with the ability to work with complex data sets, excellent attention to detail, and meticulous approach to data cleaning and analysis, a strong written and verbal communication skills to effectively present findings and reports to client, and knowledge of Power BI or R would be a plus. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is ALINEA International, hiring for data analyst. Salary would be competitive, experience 3 years, and location would be remote. Key responsibilities: interpret, clean, and visualize various data analysis results using data processing techniques, develop and implement databases, data collection, and data analytics tools that optimize data efficiency and quality, acquire data from primary or secondary data sources and maintain databases, data systems, improved capacity of GOU to develop gender responsive, citizen oriented, inclusive, and environmentally sensitive policies within the strategic and recovery planning framework. Skills and qualification: bachelor's degree in quantitative disciplines such as mathematics, statistics, economics, or computer science. Desired skills: advanced proficiency in Microsoft Excel, including use of pivot tables, formulas, macros, and data cleaning. Knowledge of databases, structure, normalization, denormalization, and entity relationships. Confident use of SQL, Python, or R. And you should have good knowledge on Power BI or Tableau as a must. And there's the link to apply for this remote job opportunity. Next company on the list is CEEW, hiring for research or data analyst intern for Delhi location. Experience 0 to 1 year. Salary would be competitive. Key roles and responsibilities: support the senior researchers in conceptualizing new projects, developing high impact research proposals, stakeholders engagement events, and applications for research and general donor funding. Also support effective outreach of research outputs through coordination with the outreach team and engagement with a broader network of stakeholders. Participate in relevant conferences, workshops, and training programs. If you have done a bachelor's or master's degree in engineering, science, or allied fields, you can apply for the job post. Ability to code in Python. These are some technical skills. Ability to present in the work in a lucid manner. Demonstrated abilities to manage multiple priorities, projects, and internal external resources in a fast-paced environment. And strong drive and initiatives, a self-starter. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is BCG, Boston Consulting Group, hiring for data analysts for Gurgaon and Bangalore location. Experience they are looking for 1 to 3 years. Salary would be competitive. Key roles and responsibilities: working on projects in partnership with business teams to identify opportunities for improvement and gathering and analyzing information and data, delivering high quality or solution and maintaining proper documentation to foster seamless workflows, effectively structuring communication of insights from work streams and delivering clean and professional presentations to the team leaders, also performing regular technical coordination reviews with stakeholders and ensuring timely reporting and escalations, if any. Educational qualification: undergraduate degree in a field linked to business analytics, statistics, or geostatistics, economics, operations research. And technical skills: data science programming, coding in Python and or R, descriptive statistics and methods like correlation, regression, clustering, etc. Exposure to BI data visualization platforms such as Tableau, Power BI, and handling, processing, and deriving insights from remotely sensed data preferred. And this is the link to apply for this job post. Next company on the list is SUVENTURE Analytics, hiring for data analyst intern for remote experienced freshers. Stipend would be competitive. So if you're looking for any internship opportunity that to remote, you can review this job post. Roles and responsibilities: collect, clean, and analyze large data sets from multiple sources, use statistical techniques to identify trends and patterns in data, assist in creating interactive dashboards and reports using tools like Excel, Power BI, or Tableau, work with SQL databases to extract and manipulate data, present findings through visualization and reports, stay updated with the latest trends in data analytics and business intelligence. If you're a fresher with a degree in data science, computer science, statistics, mathematics, or related, you can apply for the job post. Technical skills: basic understanding of Excel, SQL, Python, and data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI, a strong analytical and problem solving skills, ability to work with large data sets and derive insights. And if you're interested for this internship opportunity, you can click on this link to apply. Next company on the list is CUMMINS, hiring for data analyst for Pune location. Experience 2 to 3 years. Salary would be 5 to 7 lakhs per annum. Key responsibilities: monitor the execution of pricing and price realization, participate in and implement price adjustment, also support various product pricing analytical projects such as competitive product market assessment, commodity cost indices, etc. Create reports and analysis as needed, also maintain confidential information and manage the use of this information appropriately. Skills and qualification: If you have done a college or university or equivalent degree in finance, marketing, strategy, accounting, or related subjects, you can apply for the job post. Prior experience working with sales and account management teams, communication with global stakeholders, hands-on experience with Microsoft Excel, Power BI, PPT. And if you have intermediate knowledge of these tools, then you can apply for the job post. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. So friends, these were a few job posts for data analyst roles. So based on your feedback, I've tried to include opportunities for freshers, experienced professionals, and those looking for fully remote jobs. I hope you found this video helpful. If you appreciated the effort, do not forget to hit the like button. It really motivates me. And I would love to hear your thoughts and feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one.